Pansies, let's get painting. First, draw an outline sketch of the flower using a pencil. Next, take a light shade of purple diluted with water and paint an entire petal. Remember to paint only one petal at a time. Now mix the purple with a little blue and add this darker shade to the edges of the petal while the petal is still wet. This is called the wet on wet technique in watercolors. Slowly drag the brush along the corner of the petal and lift it. Mix a little bit of pink to the purple and using the dry technique add some strokes from the outer corner of the petal towards the inner corner. Do this when the petal is half wet, not too dry and not completely wet. This will give some detailing to the petal. Now repeat the same steps but with darker shades of purple mixed with blue and pink to add the shadows. Then finally add some white gouache for the highlights. Now we're ready. Thanks for watching. I hope these simple tips helped you. Follow for more.